AndImShelby and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a little unboxing in this video. I know y'all haven't seen me in a while, but my hair is growing. But as you can see, it is also doing that. So if you see that happen throughout the video, just mind your business. I don't have any pins right now, but that's not the focus of this video. Hernest was kind enough to send me this lovely piece of furniture, and I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Obviously, you can probably already tell by the title, but just watch me unbox it. Y'all will get more details as the unboxing happens. And as we say, mind the business, okay? Mind the business. Now let's go.
Just trust in me. I built you a masterpiece. This world not enough for me. It's me and the chief singing off for me. Oh, good company. Energy feel no function. This luxury. I've been DJ somebody. Oh, the mommy's gonna eat you. T-shirt and fight up. I would have been full. Sweet from my neck. Let me say girl from my neck. One girl not enough for me. Two girls not enough for me. Three girls not enough for me. Not enough for me. Not enough for me. Four girls not enough for me. Five girls not enough for me. Six girls not enough for me. Not enough for me. No, no. Yeah. I pull up in a Tonka truck. You either get bust around the bus up. What's in the briefcase? The rent of dollars. Could be a cheap date, just pop the borders. Lames in the sec and I'm blaming the net. Let's do the money dance, one die for a fade. Keep it in the fam and cut my pasta. The pillows in the air, my soft is moisture. Nivea defense to block the solar. Pasta Mary Jane is well my oyster. Yeah. Los Angeles, give me more ambience. BBC One, smoke. It's international motion. Let me do my dance. Let me count my pants. I'm thinking about my stuff plans. Reprogram, reset. Stay focused, revenge. Until then, foot on neck. Just trust in me. I built you a masterpiece. This world not enough for me. It's me and the chief singing off for me. Oh, this company. Energy feel no function. This luxury. I've been teaching somebody. Oh, the mommy's gonna eat up. T-shirt and fight up. I would have been fun. Sweet from my neck.
Woo! I have not done one of these in a minute. So, here beginneth the SHEIN haul that I've been waiting on, you've been waiting on, your mama's been waiting on, your granddaddy's been waiting on, your sister's been waiting on, your cousin's been waiting on. Everybody's been waiting on it. And even if nobody was waiting on it, you were waiting on it. Let's get into it. I've always wanted to do this, so yay! There was more stuff in it, but I already took it out, so yeah. If you know, you know what this fit is about. If you follow me on Instagram, it's AndImShelby. And if you don't follow me, I think you should pause this video right now and go follow me. Oh, you didn't think I was actually gonna pause it for you. Let's put these bad boys on, shall we? Ooh, oh. This is what I'm talking about. I know a lot of you don't have the vision. I know a lot of you just don't have the fashion sense to understand what is going on right now. You see me? I do. And I had to see through. As I said, if you already were on my Instagram, you would have seen the fit already. Now, the first thing that inspired this entire fit was the skirt. This skirt is very unusual, and I'm buying it simply because it's unusual and I feel like I can pull it off. So I actually wanted to wear a different top with this, but I will show you that soon. Color of the skirt threw me off because the color on the website was actually the color of the top. When it came and it was not the color of the top, that really worked my nerves. The worst thing is, this being the color it is would have matched the other top more, but I didn't want to wear the other top anymore. It's thingy on my head, and these thingies, I don't know what possessed me to pair them with this fit, but I just figured it would look good, and in my head it looked good, and If you look good at my head, that's all that matters. But yeah, these were a bit too big, and for some reason I just really wanted to wear jewelry instead of these big old things. I actually bought a bag to go with this outfit, but I never ended up using the bag in the shoes. I wanted fluffy shoes. So you see how these are fluffy? Those are the type of shoes that I wanted. But I told myself, Shelby, will you ever wear those shoes again? The answer, no. Cause where will I wear that? I can finesse this because I must carry it somewhere. But them shoes there, I would not be wearing those very often. So I left them alone and opted for some different shoes. I cannot find them right now, so I cannot show you. I can only show you a picture of them. This is the bag that I was gonna wear with it. I think the bag was just super cute, especially with the little pom-poms right here. They don't match perfectly, but it was just the vibe. At least I have a bag now to wear with some other outfit, but I thought it was cute, just not cute enough for this outfit. Actually, let me see what it looks like. I think it would have matched really nicely with the shoes, but yeah. And the skirt is kind of weird because I'm sure you saw my jeans shorts under it. My bare bottom was on them rocks. So I advise you guys to wear, you know, those underwear that kind of look like shorts or some really short shorts because your ass is gonna be outside. I preferred it if it was more on my waist and more tight fitted rather than on my hips. I feel like it would have accentuated my figure a little bit better. I have a love-hate relationship with this little long part. And I don't know how I feel about it anymore. I liked it for a shoot, but for everyday wear, I really do feel like I would just cut it. Or maybe I can try again with a different, no, I'm cutting it. Move on to the next outfit because I rambled way too goddamn much on this one. Can I have the next outfit? Thank you. Woo. Woo. To me, it's simple but effective. I bought a couple leg warmers, so I have them in black. I have them in this off-white, you know, creamish color, and I have them in gray. So the first thing, I saw this top and it just yelled at me, take me, choose me, love me. And I did. And I was like, you know, this top just seems a little bit too plain on its own. I mean, of course it could work, you know. It could work, especially if I probably wear a lot of jewelry and stuff, but I am trying to up my jewelry collection. So many already have that, so I'm like, what else can I do to this outfit to oomph it up, to jazz it up? Leg warmers on my arms. Who you know? How do I think of these things? I don't know. You see these pants. These pants. 10 out of 10. You guys already know that I look for very unique things. I don't like simple. Or if they are simple, they're still different. You know, like them are too loud, them are too busy. It's simple, but a little oomph, a little flair, a little psow. And that's what these pants are giving. These are from the runway side of SHEIN. Like, who you know? Who you know? Who you know? One, they fit amazingly. All the sizes and everything will be in the description box below with all the links and everything. SHEIN, listen, I only have a limited amount of time for you guys to work with me, you know, so in a couple of months I'm going to be way too famous for you guys. So I really think you need to reach out to me now before I get too famous. Just putting that out there. So you know, you can reach out to me ASAP. My email is in my description box below. And let's work something out before, as I said, I get too famous. Whew. I stole that from somebody on TikTok, by the way. It's amazing. Amazing. It has a little bit of stretch to it, but not a lot. I really like the material. It's not that stiff, hard denim that has no stretch at all to it. It's not heavy. To me, it's breathable, but at the same time, it's sturdy. I don't know, I just love it. I love it. One thing, me and SHEIN jeans go together real bad. At the beginning, when SHEIN kind of was just starting out, I could not find jeans that could fit me properly. Like the sizings were just all wrong, but I'm so happy that they got this shit together because, baby. Next, can get a little commotion for the pants? A round of applause because what? I've always wanted one of these little tops. Chelsea, come on now. Chelsea, come on now. This is what the back looks like. And the pants, again, oh my god, I love it so much. The only downside is the fact that they don't have front pockets. They have back pockets though, so yeah. Thing is, everything I've shown you guys so far, I've worn them already. I don't know, I just couldn't wait. I just could not wait. I had to wear them because they're just so freaking cute. In case I forgot, I think I forgot to rate the other ones, but with this, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 for the top, 10 for the bottom. 9.9 for the bottoms, just because of the lack of pockets right here. Like, I don't have nothing to do. I like push my hand in the pocket, you know. Like, but I know this is sexy too when you push your hands in your back pocket. And yeah. But yeah, let's move on to the next fit. Can I have my fits, please? Hello? That was aggressive. This is the next fit. I've also worn it already. Actually, I believe I wore it in my last video, in my last get ready with me. The only thing that was bothering me about this outfit was the fact that it's two totally different materials. So this is more like a lettuce trim, ribbed-ish type of material. And this is velvet, suede, velvet, whatever you want to call it. And the ends of the pants is lace. Crotch part as well is a little bit too long for me. I would just need to take it to the tailor and have them just trim it a little bit. I was trying to see if I could pull it up some more, but it would just be way too high, and I do not think that is flattering. Like, my navel is literally right here. I like my pants to stop like right on top of my navel if I'm wearing it high-waisted. So yeah, that's the only con I have about it. Otherwise, I absolutely love these pants, and I think you guys realize by now that I really love flared pants. I love bell-bottom pants. I don't like straight skinny jeans all the time. I'm more of a boyfriend jeans, or tight up your so and flare up this so, or you know, anything that accentuates the little. And then these tops, I just always really like these tops. I like necklines like these. They flatter me more than a crew neck. I really love, what do you call them? I remember the names of those tops. So any like square tops that go like this, or like a sweetheart neckline, thing that kind of shows me up right here, or a halter situation. Yeah, that me like. You see this going on right here? Yeah, me tie it up because it is a little bit big. If I untied it, this is what it would look like. Please don't show my breasts. That's how far it would be if I were to untie it. I just don't like how it feels right there. I just want it a little bit more up. I think it's super cute, and this is what the back looks like. Really and truly, if the pants had fit properly, I would give it a 10 out of 10, but right now the cut is far too long, so I give it a 9.5. May I have nothing more to put on? Damn. I get a little commotion for the top. And now the back of the top. 10s all across the board. It's giving Batwoman, it's giving sexy, it's giving grown, it's giving Vampire Diaries sexy vampire. If you know, you know. It's low-key giving Catherine. Please. It's a very lovely top, and I give it a 10 out of 10. I don't have a lot more things, right? Right, Louise? Okay. Well, here are the last two things that I have to show you guys. So number one is actually the top that I should have showed you guys a little bit earlier. I should have showed you a lot earlier. It was the top that I was supposed to wear with the skirt. So when I saw it, I put it in my cart, And by the time I was supposed to check out, it said it was sold out in my size. So I had to buy a medium. No extra small, no small, but a medium. I bought a medium. So this is what the top looks like. Right? So you basically just put it on like this. And it goes on like this. Is it big? Wait a minute. It don't feel big. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Right. So this is what the top would have looked like. It's big as hell, so I'm gonna have to just stay very still and hold it into place. And looking at it now with the skirt, it don't look so bad. As I said, remember I said the skirt would have looked like Jesus, peace, everything that's a drop also. I'm low-key thinking this would have looked better. Just as I had planned, but I didn't have time to alter it. And when I get one, I get already. Damn, I feel like this would have looked better for real. But that's it for the clothes. This is the last thing that I have. I got a pair of these things to put in my heels because sometimes some of my heels are big and I want a little bit of padding, a little bit of length, as well as it helped my heel back to rub off. Yeah, this robe is also from SHEIN. I'm finally a robe girly. Talk to me nice, don't talk to me twice. Oh my god, I have one last thing. Back again. I'm ready to unwind. When I'm ready to do my little skincare routine and I don't want to get my hair and my edges wet. This is what the doll is gonna put on when the doll is washing her face, and I don't like when the water runs down my arms. It is a pet peeve, it is an ick. I'm so happy whoever decided to invent these or put them to good use as this purpose. And y'all know I love black, so the ends of the robe is lace. So yeah, here ended the portion of this SHEIN haul. I'm gonna be seeing me again in a couple of days on this here channel. Don't know why y'all thought you could have gotten rid of me that easily, but you can't. You can't. I guess that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.